everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome to happy hour. It is time that me and you guys have a little dirty martini. So in today's video, I am going to be collaborating with the illustrious, the queen of swatches, the one and only Miss JACLYNTRIESIT. I have mentioned the queen on my channel before because, like I said, she is the queen of swatches. When I saw this collection come out from GlamLite, which is the happy hour collection, the first palette that they released and showcased was the Dirty Martini palette. And because it is a green palette, I instantly thought of one and only person to collaborate with, and that was JACLYNTRIESIT. She is a green lover. She is, first of all, she's a makeup lover just like me, but she definitely loves her greens. And I instantly reached out to her and was like, please tell me you're getting this because I would really love to collaborate with you, at least on the green palette if you don't get the rest of them. And she was all in for it. So I will link her channel listed down below, as well as her video listed down below. She's going to be swatching and creating looks for this palette as well, so you guys can see it on a fair skin complexion compared to my darker skin complexion. And if I'm not mistaken, I think she's also a dry skin girl as well. So for me, being an oily skin girl, you're basically getting the best of both worlds. You're getting the difference in skin tones as well as the difference in skin concerns. So like I said, she is dry to normal. I am normal to oily, combo-ish, whatever. And not that that usually differs or anything with eyeshadows, doesn't really mess up. I still thought it would be cool to collaborate with her on this video. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get into this beautiful Dirty Martini palette. I feel like this was the best one that they released, and I'm glad they released it first because I was sold with the collection already just by seeing this one. Like, it comes in this like bottle. It comes in this like bottle packaging. This isn't a special edition. Everybody who buys one of these palettes gets this package with the gold seal on the top. I always say GlamLite, between GlamLite and P. Louise, they by far win packaging for me. All the time, every time. And then you open it up and the palette is revealed. And then once you take the palette out of the box, you have the nutrition facts on the back, as well as the actual ingredients of the palettes and the eyeshadow. For anybody wondering, this is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly and can be used up to 18 months after opening it. Once you get it, you get this beautiful packaging, very chic, very luxe, with the gold trimming on the side, goldish green, olive green on the side, and then you open it up and the palette is disrespectful. And this is the palette. Look how beautiful these shades are. I am definitely for sure going to be swatching this before I do my look, but I just can't get over how beautiful this palette is. This is my first time seeing the palette in person, and I'm already in love. You have their famous shimmer formula, and then you do have their mattes in here. I'm trying not to blind you guys, but I wanted to show you the cute little details on the mirror. You have the shaker on this side, and then you have the Dirty Martini with the olive on the other side. And yeah, before I get rambling anymore, because I'm super excited about using this palette as well as collaborating with JACLYNTRIESIT. Like I said, make sure you're checking out her channel down below if you want to see what the swatches look like on a fairer skin tone person. But for me, let's go ahead and get these swatches done so we can get this look popping. Excuse my messy swatches, you know. I'm not a pro like JACLYNTRIESIT, but I try it my best. I did pick up the new GlamLite Icing Eye Primer, but because this is my first time using this palette, I want to give it a fair chance, and I don't want to try this just yet. And I want to use something that I'm used to trying with GlamLite palettes, and that is this primer. So I'm going to use this primer for this look eventually. We already know I'm going to play with the shimmers because that's what I do, but of course I have to find a base color. Let's start off with this olive tone shade called Dry Vermouth. Next shade I want to use is this shade called Green Olive. Next up, I'm going to take the shade called Garnish. Now that I think we got enough matte to lay it down, let's go ahead and play with these shimmers. Where to start though? Because it's me, and because I'm me and I do what I do, I want to play with this shade called Gin so bad. I really, really do. The way that just looks so reflective without even an extra glitter primer or tackiness underneath it. Ugh. You guys don't understand how much I love GlamLite's shimmers. Ugh. Let's take this shade On the Rocks. I love it. That's all I gotta say. I love it. I am gonna go back to the brush that I had, what was it, Garnish on. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of Garnish, clean up that top edge, not too much. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Golden Olive. I just felt like that shade just worked with the palette. And because it's me and I gotta do something out of the ordinary, I'm gonna take this shade called Mix It Up. Don't worry guys, trust and believe, it's all gonna come together. Okay, actually I really don't know. I be guessing sometimes when I put stuff together, but I'm hoping it all comes together once I do my actual base and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and maybe we'll have a little more fun with this collection. I'm missing two things, my lips and my highlights. So because this collection comes with lippies and highlighters, I decided why not just go ahead and show them off to you guys. So I'm going to be trying out the Mimosa highlighter from this Happy Hour collection. This is more of a golden orangish, and the other one is a Pina Colada, which is more of a like champagne, like white iridescent color. So I felt like if I did this one, I would be safer, so I'm gonna do this one. So this is what the packaging looks like, very similar to the box. Comes in this, once again, Luxe Gold packaging. Love it, gotta love it. Comes with the mirror that is covered, but look at that shade. Look how beautiful that is. It's my first time trying a highlighter from GlamLite. And we're done. I don't even need to dip back in there. I'm just gonna, what? Mimosa, honey. I mean, I could go for a real one right now, but that's not the point. I wanna do a gold inner corner because that's what I do. Stop judging me. I don't wanna hear none of y'all in the comments like, Jay, we not trying to do this. Jay's trying to do it. So I'm going to this shade in the eyeshadow palette called Just a Splash. So I just sprayed my face, which is why it looks a little bit more dewier than it just did. But while I'm waiting for my face to dry out, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna use my lip liner from Cara Beauty. You guys know I live by this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Happy Hour lip set. I think I'm gonna use these two shades, Irish Cream and Vodka. Oh, okay, it's that far down. I thought it was just this part. It's actually in the middle of it. It's not like a glossy gloss, but there is a shine there, but it's not a glossy gloss. You know what I mean? Like if I say gloss one more time, we're gonna have a problem. And then I'm gonna top it with, because I feel like it, and I'm glad I did put a liner with this because I feel like it was more of a, you know, the lighter nude of it. You know, for my skin complexion, definitely needs a liner, definitely needs a liner. Let me speak. Okay, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I hope you guys really did enjoy this collaboration. If you have not already, please go check out JACLYNTRIESIT's video. Once again, I will link it down below, as well as her overall channel, because like I said, she is the swatch queen, and that's why I have named her the swatch queen for a reason, because she is a beast when it comes to swatches. I know for those of you who see my swatches are probably like, nowhere near Jaclyn's, nowhere near the, you know, the quality, the greatness, the just perfection that Jaclyn has. But I hope you guys still enjoy both of our videos. Once again, thank you JACLYNTRIESIT for wanting to collaborate with me on this beautiful Dirty Martini palette from GlamLite. Cannot hype her up enough. I love her content. I love watching her videos. I love looking at her swatch videos and everything that she does on Instagram. And just like I said, seriously, follow her, check her out. And if you did come from Jaclyn's channel, thank you guys so much for watching my video as well. Once again, for those of you who do not know who I am your girl J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. My overall thoughts for the collection products that I tried so far is I do like it. I'm in love with it. I'm in love with this eye look. This is totally me because I'm random. I never know where I go with looks. Sometimes y'all should be like, you should just stop right there. And then I'm like, I'm gonna go a step or 2 or 3 further because that's what Jay does. And also on this channel, I speak in third person sometimes. But you know, we gotta work on me sometimes.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
But anywho, seriously, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Thank you guys for coming to this collab video. And I hope you guys truly did enjoy the tutorial as best as I could explain it. Let me know what you guys want to see from this collection next. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see the unboxing, unveiling of this collection. And yeah, I don't know what else to say because I'm loving my look and I'm trying not to be conceited about loving this look. But I mean, the highlighter, yes, I did numb it down a little bit with some, you know, my powder brush, but look at how beautiful it looks. Even though these glosses aren't glossy glosses, look how beautiful they still look together on my lips. I love the applicators. I love the highlight packaging. I love the packaging of this overall happy hour collection, and baby girl got the whole legit VIP collection, platinum collection with the VIP shaker. So your girl went all out. I have everything from the collection. So like I said, if you guys want to see, or let me know what you guys want to see next from this collection, or if you guys want to see anything in general from any of my other content, hauls and stuff that I've done that I have not yet showcased, comment those down below. And yeah, main 3 things you should do is go check out JACLYNTRIESIT's channel as well as her video to this palette. Follow me on Instagram because you guys love me and I hope you guys do love me. And third, please subscribe to this channel and bring in more people as we are closer to the 500 milestone for my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. And I will catch you guys in my next one.